Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. My name is Trust Stanley. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clear your cache on your Facebook Messenger. Alright, most times you do browse a lot and a lot of cache will be saved, and automatically each time you opens it will be easier to browse. But although most times there can be disadvantage, I'm not going to really discuss that in detail, but in order for you to get a faster service on your messenger and for your mobile phone not to hang, you need to once in a while clear your cache on most of the application you use a lot daily. So in order to do this, we are going to clear our cache for our Facebook application in order for it to play properly for us the next time we're making use of it. Alright, in order to do this, let's just open our settings and go to applications. For some reason you should know these have different options on different device. If you are using a Lollipop, and then if you are using a different version of Android, it's going to show you different option. Actually, all we have to open is application manager right here. So once you open the application manager, just scroll, just wait for it to load and then search for Facebook Messenger and then click on it once it's open. Or let me scroll down. Okay, this is Facebook Manager Messenger. So and now you can wait for it to calculate. Okay, you can see how many data that I have saved up, and you can see the data which are saving on my USD. All right, I really don't need that. And then you can notice my cache is in 51 megabytes, so we don't need a lot of cache like this. We just have to clear it so that our application will be just refreshed, and then it will be brand new once more. So to do that, just click on clear caches. Now you can notice that it becomes 0.00. All right, that's good for us. Okay, now let's also clear the data. Also, it's really not necessary, we don't need that. After doing this, your space on your messenger will free up and it's going to be more faster than before. And also your mobile frees up, it frees up a lot of space on your mobile and enables it to perform faster. All right, thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel. My name is Trust Stanley once again.